QR menu, branch system and branch definition. To use the QR menu system, you must have at least one branch definition, because the table structures are determined from the branch definitions. If you have more than one branch, you can define and make special settings for each of your branches. Press the Branches button from the system list to define the branch. Click the Add Branch button on the screen that opens. Name your branch. Leave the first two options as they are. You can use these fields later to stop or disable the sale in any of your branches. If you want to use dark theme for this branch, enable the option. In the Payment Types section, select the payment types that customers can make in your orders. Save it by clicking the Save button. Additional tabs and features will open. First of all, you should create tables for the branch from the Tables tab. If you want to group your tables, you must first create a table group. If you don't want to create it, you can go directly to the table defining. Click the Table Groups button for table group registration. Click the Add Table Group button in the window that opens and name your group. You can edit these groups later if you wish. After creating the table groups, click the Add Table button to create the tables. Name your table from the window that opens and choose which group it belongs to. As an extra option, if you want your customers to make orders according to a table password, leave the Generate Order Password option checked. After creating all your table structures, click on the Settings tab to make advanced branch settings. You can make your order-related settings in the Order Settings section. If you want to open the QR menu system for orders from outside the restaurant and you want to check the location of incoming orders, activate the Check Location When Ordering option in the Location Settings section. You can enter the coordinates of your branch in the Coordinate field or select it yourself from the map. In the Order Distance field, you can specify the radius in meters that your orders will be accepted. If you want to offer your customers features such as calling a waiter, requesting a bill, or calling a valet from the AKINSOFT QR menu system, you should activate the relevant settings in the Location Settings section. If you want to receive your orders via WhatsApp, activate the Use WhatsApp option in the WhatsApp Settings section. Then write the WhatsApp number you want to order to go to from the WhatsApp Order Line section. You can activate additional settings for WhatsApp orders here. After making all your changes, click the Save button. By sharing social media links in your QR menu system, you can enable your customers to follow your social media accounts and increase your social media interactions. For this, mark the tick next to the names of the social media accounts you want to share from the Social Media Accounts section and enter their addresses. After completing your operations, press the Save button. If you want to see the changes you have made from the customer's point of view, you can press the Go to Branch button.